Today we are going to show you how to fit the 09Design battery clamp. Tool-wise, you will need a 10mm socket, 8mm socket, and a ratchet. We're going to be working around a live battery. It's not necessary to disconnect the battery, but just be sure that you've got the cover over the positive terminal. To start with, we're going to remove the 8mm headed bolt from the back. Next up, we've got the two 10mm headed nuts. Just crack those off. Now you can remove the OE battery clamp. This step is not compulsory, but if you're going to the effort of fitting a nice shiny carbon and billet aluminium battery clamp, you might as well wash your battery whilst you're in there. When I say wash the battery, I do not mean with like a hose pipe or anything like that, just some cleaner on a rag. Next up, you need your battery clamp. That sits down over the standard studs. Then you secure the battery clamp back down using the original nuts. And using your 10mm socket, and there you go. Your battery is now 09Design equipped.